Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', sis? So yeah, we're gonna get straight into the video. I picked these shoes up at Walmart for $15 basically. I got my spray paint, my tape, my stencils, some scissors, and of course the shoes. So yeah, this tape was not really a big help. It was not sticking to the shoes. And to all my new subscribers, this is Polo. Say hey. This is my only child right here. He's all in my face, y'all. He always want to play when I'm working. But anywho, the tape didn't work, but I still tried to use it, and I also tried to put some more tape on top of it, the clear tape, to kind of hold it, and as you can see, it kept coming up. It's not really sticking, but I made it work. So I'm getting an old shirt, and we just gonna go ahead and try to spray the sole of the shoe. And sis, if you haven't already, I did make a LV jacket inspired by Moneybag Yo. This is the jacket right here. If y'all haven't, go ahead and watch that. So I am making these shoes to go with that jacket because I have not yet to style it, but make sure y'all stay tuned. I will be posting it on my TikTok so y'all can see me styling on there. So follow me. But I am taking the tape off so we can see. So it wasn't like a clean spray all the way across. I did get some of the paint on top of the shoe, but that's okay. We're gonna fix that. So right now I am blow drying the shoe to speed up the process. So I went ahead and did both. So now we're gonna use our stencils. Y'all, this was a little hard because it kept like bubbling up, but I got it. So I wanted to do the two-tone spray like I did on the jacket, and then I wanted to look like it's kind of fading at the end, like so. And yes, I definitely like that. And we're just going to do the same thing to the other shoe, and I am going to keep that same type of pattern. I tried to measure it out in the middle of the shoe. I literally eyeballed it, so don't ask me how I got it perfect right there. But yeah, so as you can see, we got droplets of the paint on the shoe. So what I decided to do was take the paint and with the little paper and give it like a splash paint look, as you can see that I'm doing, and it actually turned out really dope. This was not my intentions, but the paint got everywhere. So yeah, as you can see, I did it all over. Let me know what y'all think. I actually love them. I can't wait to style them. Give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified when your girl posts, and follow me on all of my social medias. I love you guys oh so much. Subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.